The third and final assignment of our Civil Rights Movement unit is going to be diving into the civil rights historic sites. So as you can see, we're back in our Google Classroom. We're at the classwork tab, and that's where all of our assignments are posted. So this assignment is the students will use the We Shall Overcome website, which is a national park website, and they are going to choose a historical site that was involved in the civil rights. They are going to include screenshots using the map, satellite, and terrain view, so they will be using Google Maps as well as the We Shall Overcome website to do their research. Also, if students decide to further their research, they can once again use our custom Google search to answer the questions on the attached worksheet. So we're going to click on that assignment. As we can see, here is our activity worksheet. We have 2 questions to dive into, so for our research, and then an area for where we will take our screenshots of Google Maps. So let's click on the We Shall Overcome, and like I said, it's a National Park Service website that is super involved with getting the right pinpoints of events during the civil rights movement. So we can see through this map on the website how many events, major events, really took place, not just in the South, but all over the country, to fight for civil rights. We have featured places, and then the rest of the database is alphabetically ordered. As you can see, we start with the state of Alabama first, and a student will choose one of these sites to do more research. So let's say this student clicks on Tennessee, so we know that's Memphis, Tennessee, the Lorraine Motel, because this is the unfortunate site of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s assassination right on the balcony of that motel. As we go through this, we can see the location and certainly the history of the Lorraine. And that's going to help the student finish their activity worksheet. So that is part 1 of that activity. Let's go over to Google Maps. Now, I know that the address was on the We Shall Overcome, but let's just use the search just on its own. And perfect. It comes right up with the Lorraine Motel in Memphis, Tennessee. And as we can see, it has been turned into a National Civil Rights Museum. As we zoom in, we really see that it's butted up against many businesses. And if we zoom out, we can really see that it's kind of in the heart of Memphis. So it would be considered downtown Memphis. So then what we want our students to do is, so that we know that they can use the features of Google Maps, is stopping right there. We would want them to take a screenshot, so that would be of the map view. Then using the options over here, we want a screenshot of the satellite view. And then the last screenshot that we really want is of terrain. And now Google Maps is so inclusive with all this kind of research, is right from here, here's another resource that our students can use to help them finish up that activity worksheet.